Hey guys, if BlueStacks is showing internet connection problems or apps won't connect online, don't worry. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you the best ways to fix network and connection issues step by step. First, make sure your internet is working normally outside of BlueStacks. So, open a browser on your PC and test a few websites before troubleshooting the emulator. Using an outdated version of BlueStacks can sometimes cause internet problems. Check for updates and install the latest version for better compatibility. You can also try resetting Android network settings inside BlueStacks. Open Android settings, then reset Wi-Fi and network options if available. If the connection is still unstable, try changing your DNS settings to a public DNS like Google DNS. Yeah, this can improve connection reliability. If nothing works, uninstall BlueStacks completely and reinstall the newest version from the official website. Corrupted network files can sometimes cause permanent connection issues, and that's basically how to fix BlueStacks internet connection problems in 2026. So after trying these solutions, your apps and games should connect online normally again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.